welcome back to my channel Mumbaikar Boy. Yes, today I have a small issue with the bike. Of course, it is with the Mad Dog clamps. I would like to show you the clamp actually. Yes, here it is. So if you see, the clamp is actually has a welding over here which actually holds on to above where the fork is, and actually gave way. Yes, Mad Dog has been very nice with the customer service. No, this video is not paid for, nor is it a promo video. This is basically an honest review of mine with Mad Dog lights and clamps. So these guys actually sent me a new pair. Immediately you might have seen my story as well on Instagram. So these are the ones. So if you see this at the moment and see this, so this is without these clamps where they have the bracket to mount them. So these have actually broken up. One suggestion to Mad Dogs, if anyone from the team is watching this, of course, if you see A4 also has a clamp like this for the LEDs, but they have their mountings below. So what is happening is, I'll show it to you on the bike as well. With these mounted on top, so when the bike actually goes into potholes, the effect that the load is coming on these joints. That's the reason they are breaking off. So I would say Mad Dog lights, I think if you could actually go ahead and do these below, to hold them from below, it would be much better. That would actually be the only reason these clamps are breaking from these joints. Or else, if you also see right now, this clamp is still steady. So there's nothing wrong with the clamp, the way the built quality of the clamp is. It's only that I think they should change the position to the lower position. That's my suggestion. So it's time to actually go ahead and change the clamp onto Layla. So stay tuned, enjoy this rest of the video. This is going to be an installation of a DIY installation of the clamps. Of course, I'm going to do the wiring as well, because that includes untaping the wires and stuff. So stay tuned, let's go to Layla. So yes, that's Layla. So you can see the clamp. I'm going to show you a closer look of the clamp, how the clamp is. So the tools needed is basically are in the toolbox. So we're going to get them out. So I've got a clamp, I've got the electric tape to actually get the wiring on. So let's go ahead and see how this is done. So if you see, as I rightly said, so this is basically where the joint actually gives away after a lot of pressure onto the joint. So I would say if they actually have it below, so which goes right here, so it would actually come in here or here. I've tied it up because yesterday it gave way. You can see both the sides have come out, so it gave way. I've tied it up with a small little wire from a small little garage, and it was there. So it's now time to actually go ahead and replace that. These are the major tools needed to do this job. That's basically a 4-number Allen key, a knife to cut off the ties that I have, and this is a 14-number nut bolt, open spanner I would call it. Like, it is in the toolbox, so you will have this in the toolbox. This is basically what only tools that you need, and of course an electric tape to actually get the taping done properly. These are the only tools that you will need to actually go ahead and get this job done. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So what I've gone and done is I've actually loosened. We don't need to open the wiring, I just realized. We'll just open this nut, actually put the new clamp in, and we're all good to go. So that is basically only needed is to open up this nut at the moment. The lights will remain there. We don't need to actually switch it with the wire connection. This is only what is needed to be opened. The light is now fixed onto the clamp. We just need to actually remove with the 4-number Allen key. We need to remove the nut from here and actually clamp the lights back to the bike. So that's basically, I've not touched the wires as I've said. It's only the mounting that was broken and that has to be fixed. So now it's only this small little 4-number Allen key that we have to open, post which the clamp will be on the bike. So now the lights are almost set over there. We just need to tighten these Allen key bolts on both the sides. Last time I didn't have the clamps, that's the reason I had actually undone the wire and stuff, but this time I have the clamp, so that's why we didn't need to actually do anything with the wiring. Making sure it's tight on both the sides is very important. So ultimately the light is fixed now. It's only actually to make sure that the alignment is proper. The lights are both facing the same direction, and we're getting a beautiful throw. So let's go ahead and check the alignment from ahead. So I hope the alignments are straight, because this is what judgment that I have done. You can see it on the video as well. I hope this alignment is straight, and it's only we need to go ahead and tighten it up at the moment. So yes, that's a DIY process. So I didn't need the electric tape, as I said, because the wiring was intact, and of course the bike is all set. So this is basically the old clamp again, without the hooves to actually mount them. You can see them over here. So this is basically where they actually gave way. That was welded there, and that's exactly what gave way. So these are the small little points that have actually given way. You can see them right here in my hand. So these are the ones. I have nothing wrong with the Mad Dog light holders, clamps. They're very steady. That's only the issue was with me. They say that they have not had such issues earlier. But Laila is back with her yellow LED lights as well, and she's happy because yes, of course, it was a little disturbing when you were riding. I was getting noise while I was riding, and I was like, what is it? The shocks that are actually making the noise, but actually it was not. It was the clamps. At first it was a right, and now it was a left. So both are the new clamps by Mad Dog Lights. Of course, I'm going to leave you a link from where you could get them as well, and the information on their Instagram page. Thank you Mad Dog Lights for actually sending these replacement clamps to me. Well, this is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a nice one.